Hello, welcome to my 15-112 term project, Foto Football. Foto Football is a multiplayer football simulation game using sockets. So here we have two screens running. This is player A screen and player's B screen. To start the game, all you have to do is hit play, and it begins waiting for the second player to hit play. And then once he does, both players will be linked up and taken to a team select screen. In the team select screen, you could choose whichever team you want. And once one team is selected by one player, that team cannot be chosen by the other player. Once both players have selected their team, it takes you into the game, in which one player will be on offense and one player on defense. Offensive players can select a play, as well as the defense, and after the play are both selected, there's an execution shown by the last play, and the game information in the top right-hand corner for both players is updated. So, for example, on that last play, the Cobras scored a touchdown, so it is no longer their ball on offense. The Tigers are now on offense with 80 yards to score. They can select their play now, and the Cobras can select a defense. And for example, that play now was a 7-yard gain for the Tigers. Once a player is within 45 yards of scoring, they have the option to kick a field goal. And the defense must choose a play, but then the field goal is executed on the screen. So as you can see, the Tigers have scored a field goal here. They now have 3 points, while the Cobras still have 7, and it is now Cobras' ball with 80 yards to score. Gameplay continues like this until 4 quarters have been played. Each quarter has 10 plays in it. And then at the end of the game, the final result is shown. Thank you.